Dear students, in last class we have discussed about properties of determinants and problems solving properties of determinants. In today's class, let us discuss about area of a triangle. We have studied about the area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, comma y1, x2, comma y2 and x3, comma y3. The area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by the expression 1 divided by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. The area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by the expression of into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now this expression can be expressed as or can be written in the form of a determinant. This algebraic expression can be written in the form of a determinant as delta is equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. This determinant form can also be expressed as algebraic expression. So like this. This expression can be written as in the form of a determinant. Delta means that is area of a triangle is equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So now using this formula find the area of a triangle. Here area is given. Use both positive and negative values of the determinant for calculation. So one more point, the area of the triangle formed by three collinear points is 0. It is now example 1, find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 8 minus 4, 2 and 5, 1. So using these vertices, find the area of triangle. Solution: let 3, 8, that is x1, y1, minus 4, 2, that is x2, y2, 5, 1, that is x3, y3. You know formula: area of triangle. Area of triangle is given by delta is equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So area of triangle formula, therefore delta is equal to 1 divided by 2 determinant of x1, y1, that is 3, 8, 1, x2, y2 minus 4, 2, 1, x3, y3 5, 1, 1. You know expansion of a third order determinant, expansion along first row or expansion along second row or expansion along third row or expansion along first column or second column or third column, any one. Now I am taking expansion along a first row, take signs place, minus place, therefore delta is equal to 1 divided by 2, so in bracket 3 plus 3, 2 ones are 2, minus 1 ones are 1, minus 8, minus 4 ones are minus 4, 5 ones are 5, plus 1, minus 4 ones are minus 4, minus 5 twos are 10. So therefore delta is equal to half into determinant of into 3 into 2 minus 1, 1, minus 8, minus 4 minus 5 becomes minus 9, plus 1, minus 4 minus 10 minus 14. Therefore delta is equal to half into 3 ones are 3, minus into minus plus 9 eights are 72, plus into minus minus 14. Therefore delta is equal to half into 3 plus 72, 75 minus 14, 61. Therefore area of triangle is equal to 61 divided by 2 square units. So therefore the area of triangle whose vertices are 3, 8, minus 4, 2 and 5, 1, area becomes 61 divided by 2 square units, or we can write 30.5 square units. Okay. The next problem, find the area of a triangle. One more problem, similar problem. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are. So now I am taking vertices. Vertices are problem number 2, 1, 0, 6, 0 and of triangle using these vertices. Here let 1, 0, x1, y1, 6, 0, x2, y2, 4, 3, that is x3, y3. Therefore, area of triangle is given by delta is equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Therefore, area is equal to, delta means area of triangle, 1 divided by 2, determinant of 1, 0, 1, x2, y2, 6, 0, 1, x3, y3, 4, 3, 1. Now expansion along a first row, expanding this determinant. Therefore, delta equals half into plus 1 into 0 ones are 0, minus 3 ones are 3, minus 0, 6 ones are 6, minus 4 ones are 4, plus 1, 6 threes are 18, minus 4 zeros are 0. Therefore, delta is equal to 1 divided by 2. Plus 1, 0 minus 3 is minus 3. 0 into any number or anything 0 plus 1 into 18. Therefore, delta equals 1 divided by 2. Minus 3 plus 18 ones are 18. Therefore, delta is equal to 18 minus 3, 15 divided by 2 square units. The area of a triangle whose vertices are 1, 0, 6, 0 and 4, 3 is given by area is 15 by 2 or 7.5 square units. So area of triangle. Now area is given. Find the value of K. One more problem in concept area of triangle. What is that? Find the value of K. Example 3. Find the value of K. Find the value of K if area of triangle is, if area of triangle is 4 square units. 4, here area given, find the value of K, and whose vertices are, and whose vertices are K, 0, 0, 4, 0, 2, 4, 0 and 0, 2. So here in this vertex K is unknown. Find the value of K. Okay, that's right. So let delta is given. What is delta? 4 square units. 4 square units. The next vertices k comma 0, that is x1 y1, 4 comma 0 x2 y2, 0 comma 2 x3 y3. You know, area of triangle A delta is equal to 1 by 2 into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So delta means area of triangle. What is given? 4 square units, that is equal to plus or minus 4. Plus 4 square units or minus 4 square units is equal to half into determinant of what is x1 y1 k 0 1, what is x2 y2 4 0 1, what is x3 y3 0 2 1. The next, by cross multiply this, by cross multiplying, plus or minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2 becomes plus or minus 8 equals determinant of k 0 1, 4 0 1 0 2 1. Expansion along a first row or expansion along a first column. So now I am taking first row. Place minus place. Plus or minus 8 is equal to k into 0 ones are 0, minus 2 ones are 2, minus 0, 4 ones are 4, minus 0 ones are 0, plus 1, 4 twos are 8, minus 0 zeros are 0. Therefore plus or minus 8 is equal to k into minus 2 minus 0 into anything 0 plus 1 into 8. Therefore plus or minus 8 is equal to minus 2k plus 8. So plus or minus 8, this can be written as plus 8 is equal to minus 2k plus 8, or minus 8 is equal to minus 2k plus 8. So therefore simplify this. Minus 2k, so plus side transpose to left hand side, already one plus 8 is here, minus 8 is equal to minus 2k, 0 is equal to minus 2k, therefore k is equal to 0. Or minus 8 plus 8 transpose to left hand side, minus 8 is equal to minus 2k, minus 8 becomes minus 16 is equal to minus 2k, therefore k is equal to minus 16 divided by minus 2, k is equal to 2 ones are 2 8s are. The value of k is 0 or 8, or k value 8 or 0. Then next one more example, find the value of k. So one more example, find the value of k if area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are minus 2 comma 0. Here one more example, for area is given, that is 4 square units, 4 square units, and vertices are, vertices, so minus 2 comma 0, The next, one more vertex 0, 4 and 0, k. Here also find the value of k. So therefore here select minus delta area is 4 square units, 4 square units. So minus 2, 0, that is x1, y1, 0, 4, x2, y2, next 0, k, that is x3, y3. So area of triangle formula, delta is 1 divided by 2 determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Therefore, delta is equal to 1 divided by 2, or delta is given, what is that delta? Plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4, 1 divided by 2, determinant of minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 4, 1, 0, k, 1. By cross multiply these, plus or minus 8 is equal to determinant of minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 4, 1, 0, k, 1. The next expansion along a first column or first row. Expansion along a first row, plus or minus 8 is equal to place into minus 2, 4 into 1, 4 minus k 1's a k, minus 0, 0 1's a 0, 0 1's a 0, again minus 0 1's a 0, plus 1, 0 k's a 0, minus 0 4's a 0. Therefore, plus or minus 8 is equal to minus 2 into 4 minus k, minus 0 into anything 0, that is also term 1 into 0, that is also term 0, plus or minus 8 is equal to minus 2 4's a minus 8, minus into minus becomes plus, 2 1's 2 into k, 2k. This can be written as plus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus 2k, or minus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus 2k. Therefore, plus 8 write as it is. Right hand side, first term minus 8. So transpose to left hand side, plus 8 is equal to 2k. Therefore, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 is equal to 2k. Therefore, k is equal to 16 by 2. Therefore, k is equal to 2 1's are 2 8's are. One k value is 8. One more another or k minus 8. Right hand side minus 8 transpose to left hand side, plus 8 is equal to plus 2k. Therefore, minus 8 plus 8 gets cancellation. 0 is equal to 2k, or k is equal to 0 by 2, or k is equal to 0. The value of k is 8 or 0. The next, one more type of problem, area of a triangle concept. Find the equation of line joining. Find the equation of line joining. Example 5. Find the equation of line joining equation of line joining 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 6 using determinants find the equation of that line means area of triangle that becomes line. So here in solution let 1 comma 2 that is x1 comma y1 3 comma 6 that is equal to x2 comma y2 and x comma y is equal to that is x3 comma y3 and delta is what is delta? Area becomes 0. So therefore area of a triangle delta is equal to 1 divided by 2 into determinant of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. What is delta is 0. 1 divided by 2 determinant of what is x1 y1 1 2 1 x2 y2 3 6 1 x3 y3 x y 1. By cross multiply this 0 to the 0 is equal to determinant of 1 2 1 3 6 1 x y 1. Expand this determinant. Expansion along a first row as usually first row 0 is equal to plus 1 6 ones are 6 minus y ones are y minus 2 3 ones are 3 minus x ones are x plus 1 3 y's are 3y minus 6x are 6x. 0 is equal to 6 minus y minus 6 plus 2x plus 3y minus 6x. 0 is equal to minus 6 plus 6 cancellation. So minus 6x plus 2x, subtract that, minus 4x, 3y plus 3y minus y becomes minus 2y, or we can write this minus 2x or minus 2x minus y, or we can write this 2x is equal to y. So 2x equal to y, or 2x minus y is equal to 0. This is the equation of line whose vertices are 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 6. That is equation of line. The next, one more example, find the equation of line joining 3 comma 1 and 9 comma 3. 3 comma 1 and 9 comma 3 using determinants. Here let 3 comma 1, that is x1 comma y1, 9 comma 3, that is equal to x2 comma x2 comma y2, and x comma y, that is equal to x3 comma y3. Delta is equal to area, that is 0. So area of triangle is given by 1 by 2 into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Delta is 0 equals 1 divided by 2 determinant of x1 y1 3 1 1, x2 y2 9 3 1, x3 y3, that is x y 1. Cross multiply this 0 to the 0, determinant of 3 1 1, 9 3 1, x y 1. So expansion along a first row, 0 equals 3, take signs place, minus place, 3, 3 ones are 3, minus y ones are y, minus 1, 9 ones are 9, minus x ones are x, place 1, 9 y's are 9y, minus 3x are 3x. So therefore 0 equals 3 3's are 9, minus 3y, minus 9, minus into minus place x, plus 9y minus 3x. So therefore here plus y minus y gets cancellation, 0 equals, so x plus x minus 3x, subtract that, becomes minus 2x, minus 3y plus 9y, subtract that, plus 6y. Or we can write this equation 2x minus 6y equal to 0, or we can write x minus 3y is equal to 0 dividing by 2, this equation. So equation of line. The next one more, show that the points are collinear. Show that the points are collinear. That is example 7. The points means vertices. That is A of A comma B plus C. Point B, B comma C plus A, and C comma A plus B. So these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means, that is, area becomes 0. Area of triangle is 0. So prove that delta is equal to 0. Here A comma B plus C, that is x1 comma y1, vertex B comma C plus A, that is x2 comma y2, C comma A plus B, x3 comma y3. So their area of triangle is given by delta is equal to half into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Therefore delta is equal to half into determinant of x1 is a, y1 is b plus c 1, x2 is b, y2 is c plus a 1, x3 is c, y3 is a plus b 1. So expand this determinant. Therefore delta is equal to half into expansion along first row a into c plus a into 1 c plus a minus a plus b into 1 minus a minus b minus of b plus c, b into 1 that is b minus c 1s are c plus 1 b into a plus b ba or ab plus b square minus c into c square minus ca. So therefore delta is equal to half into plus a minus a gets cancellation, a into c ac minus a into b ab minus, you know formula a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, this can be written as b square minus into minus plus c square plus ab plus b square minus c square minus ca. So therefore plus ac minus ac cancellation, minus ab plus ab cancellation, minus b square plus b square also cancellation, plus c square minus c square also cancellation. Therefore delta equals half into 0. Therefore delta is equal to 0, means area becomes 0. Thus the given points are collinear. The next, okay, stop students. So we'll continue in next class.